everyone, today's lesson is a lesson 11, identifying, acting out, drawing pictures, and writing number sentences for some more, and some went away story problems. Okay, so here I have this problem. 3 children went to the store. 2 more children met them. How many children were at the store? So I'm going to draw a picture of this. In class, you'll act it out with the other students, but I'm going to draw a picture. Okay, so, and I want to know how many children are at the store. We call this a some more story because we start with some students and then we get some more that come in. Okay, so I'm going to draw a picture to show what happens. So 3 children went to the store. I'm going to show that by drawing some smiley faces. 3 children went to the store. Okay, that's the first part of the problem. So I'm going to draw this little squiggly line so I know that this is the beginning of the problem and then we have the end of the problem. Then it says 2 more children met them there. So I'm going to draw 2 more smiley faces for the children. How many children are all together? Well, I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children. So there are 5 children at the store. We can also write this in a number sentence. A number sentence tells us what happens in the story, and it's what we usually use. So let's scooch my picture over. So this is what happened. We start with 3 children, and then we get some more. So we add 2 more children. And then we have my answer after the equal sign equals 5 children. So this is called a number sentence. Okay. Make sure you write your answer. You need to make sure to label it. It's 5 children. Okay. You need to know if the answer is books or dogs or children or apples. So we always write down the label to tell us what we're counting. Okay, let's try another one. Here we have 1 child went to the library. 2 children met them there. How many children are at the library? Okay, so we have, this is again a some more type story. So let's draw our picture. 1 child goes to the library, and it says with her dad. I forgot to write that down. So we start with 1 child. Then 2 children meet them there. So how many children do I have altogether? I have 3 children. So how do I write my number sentence? Let's make this small. Okay. So I start with 1 child, and then I add 2 more children, and then I end up at the end with 3 children. So what question did I ask about our story? I asked how many children there would be at the library. So the answer is 3 children. Now we're going to act out a different type of story. And this is called a some went away story. Okay? So here's our first story. 5 children went to the movies. 3 children were hungry, so they left to buy popcorn. How many children are still watching the movie? Okay? So let's draw our picture. We start off with 5 children who go to the movies. So we have 5 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it says 3 children left. So I'm just going to put an X mark showing which children leave. 1, 2, 3. So how many children are left? Well, you can see that there are just 2 children left. If I want to write this as a number sentence, I would write 5 children, because that's what I start with. Then when I take some went away, that's a minus sign. So 5 children minus the 3 children who left. And what are we wanting to know? How many children are still watching the movie? So 5 children minus 3 children equals 2 children. Okay, let's do another one. There are 5 books on my desk. I took 1 book back to the library. How many books are still on my desk? Okay, is this a some more story or a some went away story? It's a some went away because I'm taking 1 book away from my desk. So let's draw this picture. So I have 5 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I take 1 back to the library. So how many do I have? I now have 4 books. So my number sentence would look like this. 5 books minus the 1 book equals 4 books. Okay. All right, so let's make up a story of our own. Here I have 5 pencils. I'm going to put on 2 more pencils. 1, 2. I'm going to add 2 more pencils. What did I do? So, what I did was a some more story. And the way I'd write my number sentence would be 5 pencils, plus 2 pencils equals, how many do I have total? 7 pencils. All right, what if I have 4 pencils and then this one goes like this? What happened? Well, I took away 1 pencil. So I would write 4 pencils minus 1 pencil equals 3 pencils. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.